You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Jeep Compass. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.